Hello students, in today's video we will learn string data type in Python. We can represent string values in Python using str data type. In Python, string is a sequence of characters enclosed in either double quotes or in a single quote. Now see the example here. If I want to define hello string in Python, I can define s1 equal to hello enclosed in single quotes or s1 equal to hello enclosed in double quote. In Python, you cannot assign multi-line string using single quote or double quote. Means, see the example, s1 equal to hello on a first line and students on a second line. Okay, so it is enclosed in a double quote. Okay, so but this is not allowed because if you are try to assign such a string, you will get error as a EOL, that is end of line, while scanning string literal. Now for such a assignment, we should use triple single quote or triple double quote. Now same string hello students we can write or we can define by using triple single quote or triple double quote. Now see the example, s1 equal to hello on a first line and then students on a second line, and it is enclosed in a triple single quote. Then see another example, s1 equal to hello on a first line and students on a second line, so it is enclosed in triple double quote. Now to use single quote or double quote in string, we can also use a triple double quote or triple quotes. Okay, so see the example. Now I want here a double quote as a character in my string. So how to define how to use this double quote as a character in my string? So for this we required either triple single quote or triple double quote. Now see the example, s is equal to this is then double quote character. So now I am using here a double quote as a character in my string. Now to use this I am using a triple single quote. So that's why this is a character. This string is enclosed in a single triple quote. Now so this is all about a string data type, but we will learn string inbuilt function and string operation in detail in upcoming video. Okay, so we'll spend near about 1.5 hour on this string operations only. Okay, so today we'll stop here. Thank you.